Good morning, guys. Welcome to my first vlog of my Ballade on the pop-up. So I'll be showing you guys how the car looks. You've probably been seeing it in the video so far on my channel. But yeah, today the video is all about just showcasing how the car looks and the condition. I'm sorry for the wind. Because there's some modifications that I'm going to do, so this is probably the last chance the last time you will see how she actually looks on. Yeah, let's leave it for surprise. But yeah, I will give them a good start and show you guys the interior and the exterior of the cars. Yeah, let's get into the video. So this is my pop-up. As you can see, it's a 1500 carburetor, very light and fuel. Car's in a mint condition. As you can see, 1500 Ballade Honda. I believe this is the second generation of the Ballades. Still stock, no modifications. As you can see, version. But yeah, although all things that I did on the car was I resprayed the wheels, as you can see. But yeah, that's all I did on the car. So yeah, let's show the interior. And I love this key, old school Honda key. You know, when you have that key, yeah, you have a classic. So yeah, this is my interior. That's how the car looks. You get in, everything is still stock. And I try to keep the car as clean as possible, you know. I'm kind of obsessive cleaning the car, so I do have a tape. I think it's a Star Sound. I do have a system in the car. The car's mileage is, yeah, it's almost 200,000. Car's 38 years old. Nothing has been done in the engine, nothing faults in the previous owner. I'm the second owner of this car. Yeah, still have it soaked as well. So yeah, I'll be giving you guys a cold start. Yeah. All right. First things first, switching on the ignition. Okay. Yeah, so I know some cars struggle, guys struggle with the lights, so lights is not working properly, but I will switch it on. Switch mine on. Okay. So yeah, it looks. Absolutely beauty. Oh, what a beauty she is. Yeah guys, car still neat, very good condition. Yeah, 1500. I'm sorry about that. Something that I'm going to do with the car in the future. Yeah. So yeah, the modifications that I would probably do or would like to do on the car is lower the car first. So I'll be lowering the car soon. Also deciding, sorry for the wind guys, it's very windy here where I'm staying. But yeah, I'm gonna take the car, I'm gonna lower the car, and then I would like to put some fresh wheels on a car. Still deciding, but I have something in mind. Although I did some editing pictures to see, and I think I have something in mind. I would like to go like kinda OEM, but yeah, we'll see how it's going to look. Still, the motor runs really fine, you know, very smooth, soft. Yeah, doesn't give me any problems. Only problem that I had since buying the car, purchasing the car, was I think it was the gearbox. I think there's a bearing on the gearbox, and then yeah, the car overheated one day. A lot of people told me it's the gasket, top gasket. Actually, it was just the thermostat that was faulty, and the fan gave in, and that's why the motor was getting hot. The fan didn't work because of the thermostat. So I replaced the thermostat, and yeah, everything came back and everything started working perfectly fine. And then I sorted out the gearbox, and yeah, now she's running. So yeah. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me for this just cold start. Yeah, I admire my car. I take pictures every day. Yeah, really I do. But yeah, so I will keep you guys posted, and yeah, thank you for staying with me on this video, and yeah, we'll do some modifications or so. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that follow button. Thank you guys. See you again. Cheers.